I'm doing part 2 of my little sailing across the Lake Champlain video. So if you want to see the end of this video, me driving to Vermont skis and see this ferry, what do you call it, dock, keep watching. If you're not interested in ferries docking or anything like that, just stay tuned. I'm going to flip the camera on and I'll keep babbling for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click buttons, and all that shit. So, I know, I said all that shit. Here, let me do widescreen. There we go. We are coming into the home stretch. Stretch into the home stretch. See if we do my seatbelt back on. Where am I going? I'm going to Plattsburgh, New York. If you don't know where that is, look it up on Google. It's in upstate New York. It is a beautiful day out. Look it over here. Let me open this up real quick. Look at the view over there. That's pretty cool. Around the lake. You can hear a big thump. Stay tuned. There we go. It's my phone holder. I'm going to videotape. Every time I come across it, I was like, can we see in the back? I'm like, I got nothing except potato chips. Should I put some cheesy 70s music in this? I don't know, maybe. One time where I was honest with my father, and it felt like they literally rammed it in at full throttle. We kind of like had a little, it was like mini whiplash. It was kind of cool. I miss hanging out with my father, driving around, going everywhere, going on the ferry. He used to come with me to trips to the VA hospital in White River Junction, Vermont. I can see an island way the hell down there. This time of year is awesome because you get to see all the stuff turn green. There's lots of ducks, geese. There's no more ice fishermen now. Here we come. I'll just be quiet now. You enjoy the smashing of the ferry. If you're wondering what it sounds like outside, this is what it sounds like. Just hear these. We're almost there. Here come the crew. The life and times of me. Me. This is cool. Take the little thingy-majiggy out. I was gonna pop it in reverse. Yay! I always wanted to get a car and do a jump. Not. Probably just drive off the other side of the ferry. It's pretty uneventful. They put the bridge down. Too exciting. They put the bridge down, they tie it off, yada yada. Oh, here we go. A little bit of bouncy. Start the engine. Who's going first? Hey, there we go. I don't think I've ever been off the ferry first. Thank you. Maybe once. Clunk. And there we go. Now we're in New York State. Well, isn't that fancy? Anyway, folks, I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks for watching, and that was my most uneventful moment of the day. I'll let it record a little further. Enjoy. This is my weekly routine. Toodles. Don't forget to like, subscribe.